This is the entrance, guys. First, when you come in, this is the toilet. See? The entrance and the toilet, yeah. I'm coming. The entrance, that door is for toilet, and when you go like this, you see the living space, eat area, and the kitchen. And this area is the entrance to the bathroom, 2 bedrooms, storage room. That place they have a washing machine, and here is to wash the dishes. We are not going to be cooking. Look at the sunset. Look at the sunset. And that is the living room. Are you taking picture? Look at my daughter. She's taking picture of herself. And this is the view. The view is really beautiful. This is the outdoor space. The outdoor space is really big. Like, it's really big. I love it. Say hello. Hello. The TV's on. Let me show you guys the other side of the view. We start from this side. You guys, look at that. That is water. On the other side, look, is also water there. Like,